Hello and welcome back to my channel. So what I thought I'd do is I would do a review on my ModelOnes 16 colour gel polish mini size set 1. So they come in a lovely box. They're pretty cute actually, you've got some really nice colours. I'm quite excited. Yes, my hands are shaking because I'm excited. So on the lid it shows you how to use it. So I thought, yeah, it comes with a base coat. This is the top coat, and it also comes with a base coat as well, so you can do a complete mani with it, which is really good. I thought I would just, give you a quick video on what's inside this box if you're interested in buying it. If you join their Facebook group, you get some coupons on like discount codes and things. So I thought, let me just have a quick look, open up the bottles and show you what they look like. So you've got two glittery cut polishes. This is a blue and you've got a red as well, or a pink actually. It's actually easier for me to just pop them out one by one. So this is the pink, and it's called Blooming. You can't see because I didn't realise I weren't close enough. So, but it's a really nice, pretty, they're nice pretty colours. This is a red, Midsummer something. I can't see it. What a numpty. I sort of like, you wouldn't believe how I've got my camera set up on my phone. You've got your proverbial black and white. I mean, the colours look really good. So I've got my ring light, but because the bracket inside that holds the camera doesn't bend it down far enough, I've put two elastic bands around the top of my ring light and I've balanced my phone on that. So it's sitting up there. So if it jigs a bit, that's because I've tapped something and the phone's vibrating, sitting on these two elastic bands. Now this white is called cream, but it's white. So I don't understand why they were called cream or white cream. Meh, what do I know? I just buy the stuff. So I've got some colours there that I haven't got from before. So I thought, like greys and things like that. I do like ModelOnes nail varnishes, gel polishes. This is a nice peach colour. I will swatch them all so that you can see what they actually look like on, and I'll do it properly. So I'll base coat every tip, and then I'll give them all of their colours, and then I'll top coat the lot, and then I'll just swatch them all. So this is a nice peach, which I was quite pleased with because I don't have a peach. Nice, quite nice, quite nice. I like saying that. It's a nice pink, strawberry ice cream. Quite a cute pink actually, like a Barbie pink, but subtle. Do you know what I mean? Not bright in your face, but subtle. So that's the top row. So let me go through the bottom row. So what I did was I tried to pop them all from the top so they're easier to take out, because they were difficult to take out. They're in there proper, man. It's like they built the tray around the bottles. So you've got some really nice colours like this lovely amethyst, lilac. Would you say it's a lilac, dark lilac maybe? Purple, like purple, I don't know, but it's a nice colour. Got a nice bright blue. Macron blue it's called. It's very nice blue, I like that. Orange, passionate. Looks like a mango colour of acrylic powder I have, but it's nice, I like that. Very pretty, very pretty. And then I've got the yellow. Can't read it very well. I don't know what the yellow is, but when I swatch them, I'll tell you the names as I go along, so you can see what they are and the names of them. This green's lovely. It's called Emerald Lake, but it's a really nice green. It'd be nice to use at Christmas on a design. Very nice green. Let's go with that really nice red that I've got going on there. And the pink. Oh my God, dance with me. I love pink. I get excited about pink. I don't know, since I've gone through the menopause, pink has been my colour. When I was a kid, my aunt decorated my bedroom. Literally, it was pink. The woodwork, the walls, the bed, the bedding, the furniture. Ice bar. Now, this is a glitter pink. I'm not sure what the blue in the other one is. This is a nice one. I quite like that. It does sort of like, I'm not sure what the other two do. Are they like heat one or something? I don't know. So now I'm like, I'm going to pull out the silver. Everyone likes a bit of silver glittery polish, don't they? And that bottle, sorry, that bottle was a bit icky sticky, so I had to wipe it. So you can see the silver, it's really nice, glitter silver. So I'm like, okay, that's pretty, quite looking forward to that colour. Open up the bottle and, no, that's not silver, that's more gold than silver. There's no way that's the same colour as the bottle. But anyway, what can you do? So I popped them all back in the box, tidied it all up and made it look nice. So what I'll do is on my next video, as you see, I lined them all up so that all the glitters were together and all the prime colours and everything. So what I'm going to do is on my next video, I'll swatch them. So if you like this video, please subscribe, hit like, press the bell for any notifications or any time I might decide to put up a new video. I don't know. And yeah, I don't know why I've done that, showed you the back. So what I'll do is I'll see you later. You have a nice evening and I'll see you on my next video. See you later. Ta-da. Bye.